Hey everyone, before you watch this video, I forgot to mention in the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button and the notification bell so you will not miss another video of me again. I will let you continue watching the rest of the video. Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing very well today. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing another makeup video. I've got a bit more light in here so you'll be able to see my face better. So I will be taking you the tools, simple step-by steps of how to do it, be showing you the makeup, the tools, and yeah, let's get right into the video. These are literally just the simple steps of how to make your face more pretty, basically. So let's get right into the tools. This is called a foundation brush. It's where you put a bit of foundation at the end of your brush and then you put a bit there and you literally just blend it all over your face. Or if you don't want to do that, if you're like that person who wants to do it with their hands, you can also do that. I sometimes do that as well, but also mostly use a brush. These are called the eyelash colours. This is where you can use them with or without the mascara. But I use them with because it gives it more of that perfect flick. This is called a mascara brush. It's where when you do your eyelash, when you do your mascara, then the colours, and you still got bits in your eyelashes, and then you can get them out with the eye brush, the mascara brush. But I use this bit just to get it out more. Next up is the eyeshadow brush or stick, and you get a bit of eyeshadow, you put it in there and you put it over your eyes. But if you want me to do another makeup video, then please mention it in the comments down below. I will also leave my social medias in the link in the description down below. Now let's get right with the makeup. This is foundation. It's called 7W Photo Shoot Foundation, and it lasts for 16 hours. So perfect for a night out, perfect when you're in school or college or work, any time of the day. Or just every day, if you like to put makeup on every day. That's what I sometimes do, put it on every day, sometimes. Mascara. I use different kind of mascaras, but I use this one because it gives it more of that perfect colour and flick. It's called Mally Volumizing Mascara. And it is black. It may look like it's blue sometimes, but it's black. And here's proof. Don't know if you can see that. Okay. Black. So next up is lip gloss. I got lipsticks as well, but I mostly use lip gloss if I'm on, but I sometimes use lipsticks as well. This is called Beauty Parlour Strawberry Lip Gloss. I have got other stuff with Beauty Parlour as well. And eyeshadow, it's called Glam Up. Oh, foundation I've got was from B&M's and it was like £2 for a big bottle. You only need a little bit of foundation, really. You only need a little bit of foundation because it's quite big, as you can see. And also, if you guys are wondering what kind of colour or skin it is, it's called Sand Beige. If you're looking for that, so that's what I use, Sand Beige. This is called, this is eyeshadow, it's called Glam Up. I've got other stuff, oh god, I don't know if you can see that, Glam Up. The lighting is not as good. Next time I will do it downstairs because it's got better lighting. So I use this just to brighten up my eyelids, just to go to college or just every day really. So now a bit is, this is how I do it for simple steps. So as you guessed it, it's always foundation first. So let's open a bit of this foundation. I've got a little bit in there already. If you want to use more you can, but you only need to use a little bit really. So you get a bit of that. If you want, you can use your hands if you want to, but I use a brush sometimes. So make sure you, I sometimes get a bit more. Make sure you get it all over your face. Make sure you get it there. Make sure there's no like dark line there. I don't know if you can see it, but sometimes when I do it, my family like, you got a dark line when I do my foundation. I'm like, oh okay, so I had to blend it in with a brush. So let's get a bit more. Ooh, really put too much there. So let's get a bit more on it. Okay, you only need really a little bit. So as you can see, then you can see a bit, a stick. I accidentally got a little bit there. So if you want, you can do dots, which if you want to get rid of these bits, all you need to do is just smile a little bit like this, and then put a brush right there. Or if you've got any freckles, don't know if you can see, but I have got freckles, like loads of freckles. If you want to cover it up, or you only need a little bit of foundation, but you're beautiful anyway, really. But I just do this, really, for like college, because I like to do makeup, really. I like to put makeup on. But as I said before, you're beautiful anyway. If you want to put makeup on, you can. But I just do it. So, got a bit there. So that's the foundation done. Complete. So next up is eyeshadow. I literally got mascara then, but if you got eyeshadow and mascara, always do eyeshadow first, because if you do mascara then eyeshadow, and then you're going to get mascara on your eyelids. I do sometimes get mascara on me, but you only need a little bit of eyeshadow, just like that, and you blend it in. If I'm looking down, I've got a mirror down, I've got like a mirror here, or at the side of me. So you put a bit of oil on your eyelids. Don't know if you can see that. So you only need a little bit of eyeshadow, really. Next up is mascara. I'll be leaving the lip gloss till last. But yeah, do it gentle. If someone's rushing you, don't let them rush you. If you want to take your time, then take your time. That's what I like to do. I normally get up early. I sometimes get up early for my makeup, and I've got a bit of hair in my face and it's really annoying me. So you only need a little bit of mascara, but it gives it a rather perfect look. If you want to do a bottom bits you can, but just make sure you don't poke yourself in the eye because it hurts. So now let's do the other eye. What I normally do, that's what I sometimes do, so you put it underneath your eyelashes, then blink, 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 and then you keep on doing that until you think that's enough. I normally put a little bit on my bottom lashes. So let's get the brush, and you just do that, really. Just need to do it gentle. Or you can use this, but also helps. But also, after you use it, always clean it. So let's do the other side. You don't really need to do the bottom long because they're not long enough. So next up is the eye colours. Always leave them afterwards that you put it in. Don't know if you can see that because it's a bit dirty, but if you want to push it more that way and make sure you work with the eyelashes, then please be careful because it can catch on your eyelids and it hurts. because I've done that so many times that I'm like, should I just do mascara? But no, keep on practicing and you will get the hang of it. I was like that, don't worry. So, last but not least, I don't know if you can see that, but lip gloss is next. But when it comes to lip gloss, there's always a little hole, so when you squeeze it, that bit comes out. I think I put a little bit too much on, but I don't know. There. So that's, before I go, that's all you really need to do. Is I've shown you how you do it, really. But before I leave this video or stop this video, I want you guys to know that I will leave all my social medias down in the description down below, including my Instagram and my TikTok. I do post regular updates on my story, saying what should I do next, what times. I will be posting my Instagram soon, saying like what time would you like this video to be out, because sometimes when I do this video I just post it straight away. But I want to do times. I want to see what you guys want me to do at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, tomorrow evening, tomorrow afternoon. But this video will be more likely to go out today, really. So I will try to leave the links down in the description down below. If not, I will just tell you what they are. For my Instagram, it's Jodie.2002, and for my TikTok, it's JodieF2002. No dot for the TikTok. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot from this video today. If not, then leave in the comments down below and I'll figure out different videos, different makeup steps and that. Okay, that'll be me, Jodie, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone!